last video.
Mommy, so this is the lucky block thing I want to tell you.
Okay.
Go over there. So this is okay. So this is these are all the lucky blocks.
Okay.
And here's my cat skin. You like my cat skin? Cat.
Okay.
See. So I just wanted to show you that. I can't even see it. This is I can't put some pickaxes and some stuff. And I want to show you all the crates. And these are like enchanting stuff so you can make it canned.
Okay.
And here, if I go in here, press this button, it opens the door. And here is the wither. I'm going to be fighting him. So yeah. And then when I open the chest, it can ask me a skull, and I put it on, and then it'll activate, and I have to back up and eat all my golden apples. Yeah, I can do it. Ready for the next part is all the crates. Ready?
Yep.
Emerald for some diamond ore. A milk bucket for nether star. In the nether star, you can get a stick.
Okay.
If you got diamond, you can get a pink template. If you got a block of iron, you can get an arrow and a bow. And if you get a diamond block, you can get a golden apple. Right. But then, here's the stuff where we're going to craft our armor. And ready for the first one. Make it, what do we get? Oh, great. No, I forgot to put it off tile rock. Let me do that really quick. Do you mind? Do you mind if I can put out? I'm going to do this. I'm going to put it off tile rock. I forgot to do that. Wait, let me fight that guy. I'm going to get it to people so I won't waste all your time.
Okay.
Really? I guess get it to people and then let it. Now, that's okay. Good. Now let's get this. Okay, ready? Okay, go. See what we got. Ooh, we got some red sand. Mommy, I got red sand. Mommy, I got red sand.
Oh, nice.
What's this one? Ah, no, creeper. Creeper. Ah, creeper. Look at the food. Back up. Put it back there. Yeah. Mommy, I got a golden apple.
Okay.
Isn't that cool?
It is. Very cool.
I got a bucket. Got an emerald. Wait, emerald. Emerald. Okay. That's one. Diamond leggings. Okay, I'll put that on.
Almost done? Is it almost done? Or is the what you're showing?
This lucky block stuff is almost done. Thick. Got thick. That's thick. Ah, good one. It's thick. Nether quartz. What's that? Blue powder. A diamond cord. No. It's like stuff on tapping it. Ooh, golden apple. This one's normal. We got a golden apple. A diamond cord and this one. No. Sorry about the monster everywhere. I'll take care of them. Lucky sword. Yeah. Okay, it's lucky sword. Lucky sword does a lot of damage. Yeah. You see how I was lighting them on fire too? Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So now I got some. You can eat it. eat some food.
Okay.
Oh, not enough. Have that if you get ore. What I'm going to do is put tile block on. We're going to get this ore.
Is that it?
What? Remove the ball. Okay, go. Yeah. Okay, so. Hurry up. Okay. So, this one, you're going to create a diamond. Or, we're going to need this.
This is heavy.
What?
This is getting heavy.
You totally added. Okay.
Alright, I think you recorded enough.
Then I will go bow. Yeah.
I'm done.
Please. Make something hold it.
Yep, I go to bed too.
And I got a bow. It's funny. But, okay. And now I'm ready. Now I'm ready to fight. It's really easy because on my lucky sword, we got
How many more things you have to open?
nothing. I don't have to open anything.
Alright, are you done?
One done, and you can put that on.
Can you see it good?
Yeah.
In there?
Yeah, good. That's good. Looks good to me. You do that and ready. Yeah. Fight. There you go. Come on.
Wow.
You gotta defeat him. You can go now. The video will be there if you can see it. Go.
Alright, I'm gonna watch Luna. And I'm gonna lay down, okay, Jen?
Light. That there red light. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah. That there red light. I'm out of here. There we go. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I could out TV so I can come back next time. Bye.
Did you stop it?
What did I press?